Always great to get back to jobs we've completed to see the final results of our infrared heating system installed. Today I'm in Limerick. We've been the supplier of infrared on this job and we've done it with the electrical contractor. So the electrical contractor has pushed the IR infrared heating system. We've supplied them and they've been the installer of this. We've worked with the electrical contractor all the way to make sure the infrared heater is installed correctly and answer any questions they have. I'm going to bring you through the building now. You'll see on the ceiling here, this is the infrared panel. I can feel the heat coming from the panel. We've one, two, so they're nice and discreet, replacing two ceiling tiles. Now in a normal domestic house or in an office, if it's a plaster ceiling, the heater will just sit right up directly to the ceiling. I'll move through the building now and I'll show you each room. So there's consultation rooms. We'll go in here. So we've two in this room here, 1 and 2. Now, no air movement, less dust in the air, nice sterile room, and freeing up wall space most importantly. If you look around, they can place their furniture where they want, they can do what they want. And we'll move now. This is a consultation room. Move right down the back. We've an office in here as well. The smaller office here is one infrared panel, but again, confined space. The panel that goes on the ceiling, controller on the wall. So this is our IR sun regulator controller. So this modulates the heat. So as the room increases in temperature, there's less heat coming from the panel. And then we show you the final consultation room there. We have the controller here on the wall, and then we have 2 more IR panels on the ceiling. So these will last for 35 years. They have a 15-year warranty, no moving parts. The stat can be locked as well. It'll tell you how much energy the panels are using. So overall, it ticks all the boxes for this client. Very happy. Check out our other videos, infraredheat.ie.